Imagine this. You paste a script, press a button, and in a few minutes, a brand new video is uploaded to your YouTube channel automatically. No need to show your face or no weird AI-generated videos. This entire workflow is powered by AI and automation tools. So you can run a YouTube channel on autopilot without spending hours editing videos manually. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I built this system using AI and N8N, a no-code automation tool. Let's dive into how this works. In this N8N workflow, there are 7 main jobs to be completed. 1. Convert text to audio. 2. Set words, chunks. 3. Generate keyword for stock footage search. 4. Search footages. 5. Stitch footages. 6. Map audio. 7. Upload. We need to use following APIs, so we need to set up account for these services as well. Let me show you how to create API keys and set up credentials in N8N. Now go to n8n.io and sign up. You will see this dashboard. Go to Credentials. Here, you need to set up credentials for the APIs. First one is OpenAI API. Go to platform.openai.com. Click Setting and create New Secret Key. Copy and paste it here. Next, go to deepseek.com and create New Secret Key. In N8N, add credential. Select Header Auth. Paste your API key here. Make sure to include bearer and space. Next, go to ElevenLabs.io, sign up, and go to the dashboard. Click here and go to API Keys. Create API key and copy. Create header auth and paste your API key here. To use free stock footages, we will use Pexels. Go to pexels.com and click Image and Video API menu. Create your API key and copy. Add another header auth credential and paste your API key. Next is Shotstack. We use this API to stitch multiple footages and audio file and render into a single video. Go to shotstack.io and create API keys. Copy the API key and create another header auth credential. Now, Google credentials are a little bit trickier. For cloud storage credential, you first have to set up cloud storage bucket. Make sure it is accessible to public. Go to API and Services Credentials and create credentials. Click OAuth and select Web Application. Add authorization, redirect URI. You can copy and paste this URL. Then you will get client ID and secret, which you can paste here. For YouTube API, use YouTube Data API version 3. You click Enable and go back to OAuth page to get client ID and secret. Make sure you sign in to connect your account. Okay, now that we are done with setting up the accounts, let's create workflow. I want to execute workflow when I click manually, so let's add Trigger Manually node. Then add Set node where I can enter my script in plain text. Then add a HTTP request node to call ElevenLabs API to convert my script to audio. This string at the end is the voice ID of the voice you choose. You can find the voice ID by clicking this 3 dots. Add authentication, send body parameters as the script from previous node. Then we want to get the timestamp of the audio. We use OpenAI's Whisper model to get the timestamp of audio segments. You can copy my settings. Next, we format the data so it only contains the text, start time, and end time. Then we split out the data so that it can be looped for the next node. Next, we use the DeepSeek API to analyze each text segment and generate search keywords for stock footage. For example, if the script says success requires patience, it might generate keywords like hard work, determination, goal setting. We use the split out node to get the search keywords for each video chunk. Now we feed these keywords into the Pexels API to automatically fetch the best stock footage for each line of the script. And we trim the footage to match the length of each segment. Then again, we put them in an array and convert the data format suitable for Shotstack. For the voice, since ElevenLabs only generates binary files where a Shotstack requires a URL, we need to upload audio file to Google Cloud Storage and provide the URL. Use these settings, get the link to the audio here. Merge the footage and audio links here. Now that we have our stock footage and voiceover, we use Shotstack to merge them into a single fully edited video. Shotstack lets us arrange the video clips, match them with the correct timestamps, and export a high-quality 9:16 vertical video. After the rendering request is submitted, Shotstack will give you response ID. Wait, then call the API again to get URL of the rendered video. We also use DeepSeek AI to generate an optimized video title based on the script, making sure it has strong engagement hooks. Finally, we use the YouTube API to upload the finished video directly to our channel. And that's it. Now I can create and upload a full YouTube video automatically with just one click. This AI-powered workflow saves hours of editing time and makes it easy to create content consistently. I've linked all the tools in the description. Or if you want the JSON for this workflow so you can set this up without adding the node individually, fill out the Google form in the description, and I will email you the JSON file.